continuing the same topic, word problems of subtraction. Now let's continue some more problems, and we are done in our previous video till question number 2. Now the question number 3 of exercise 3.9. The population of Nainital is 4,57,360 and the population of Ranikhet is 2,48,975. Which town has greater population and by how much? Children, in this question, the population of two towns are given to us and we need to tell कि किस town की population ज़्यादा है और कितनी ज़्यादा है. Okay, you can understand this question by like your friend are having 15 chocolates and you are having 10 chocolate. So we can easily tell that which one has the more chocolates, who has the greater number of chocolates, your friend, and how many more chocolates he have rather than you. So you have to find the difference. Do you understand? To find by how much we have to get the subtract. Okay, so here your friend are having 5 more chocolates than you. So same question we are doing, question number 3. So first I am writing in statement like we have done for addition. We need to write statement. So population of Nainital. It is 4,57,360. Okay. And population of Ranikhet. It is 2,48,975. Now we need to tell which town has greater population. So we can easily tell that which number is bigger. 4 lakh something or 2 lakh is bigger. You know now we have learned, we know the comparison which number is bigger and smaller. So this is bigger. So we can tell that Nainital's population is greater. And you want to tell by how much kitni zyada hai. So for that you need to subtract. So which town has greater population? We will write Nainital has greater population. And कितनी ज़्यादा है बेटा, उसके लिए क्या करेंगे हम? You have to do subtraction. Nainital has greater population. And to find how much it is greater, we need to subtract. So 0 minus 5 not possible. Take borrow. Make it 5 and 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 5 minus 7 not possible. 2 and 15. 15 minus 7 8. Then make it 6 and 12. 12 minus 9 is 3. Again take borrow. 16 minus 8 8. 4 minus 4 0. And 4 minus 2 is 2. So 2,08,385. It is the difference. It means we tell that Nainital की population ज़्यादा है, but how much it is more? So इतनी ज़्यादा है, 2,08,381. So remember, when you want to find by how much, you need to do subtraction. Now the next question number 4 that we had already done in our previous video. What should be added to the given number to get 47,467? So I told you children, when we are finding what should be added, so we have to subtract from greater to small. I want that you have to do it yourself because we already studied about this. Now question number 5. The difference of two numbers is given, and if the greater number is given, can you find the smaller number? Okay, let me explain with another example. Like I am having difference 15. Difference we all know that is the answer. And the greater number is given to me 35. The difference of two number is given. The greater number is given. You want to find the smaller number. Smaller number means we have to find the subtrahend. So how to find this number? Do you remember? You have to subtract these two only. 35 minus 15 do 20. Okay. So it means the number is 20 because when you are doing 35 minus 20 then only you will get 15. So what is given to you? Minuend and difference is given. You want to find the subtrahend. So for that, and you can understand in another way also, to find smaller, you have to subtract. Just now in our previous video I told you to find smaller, we have to subtract. And here we need to find a smaller number. So to find the smaller number, do subtraction. Okay? Because children, here you know that we are learning the word problems of subtraction. But when you are facing any test, any exam, the word problems will be mixed up. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So first thing is that by reading the language, you understand कि आपको करना क्या है. Which operation you have to apply. Addition, subtraction, multiply or divide. Okay? So you, for this, the language must be clear to you. Now question number 5, difference of two numbers. Okay, let me write the greater number first because we know from greater we have to subtract the smaller. So I am arranging the number in that way. Greater number. Greater number is 65,400 and difference of two number, it is given 26,895. Now we want to find the smaller. Remember, to find the smaller we have to subtract. Okay, and subtraction everyone knows. Make it 3 for taking borrow, 9 and 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 9, 0. 3 minus 8, not possible. So again take borrow. 13 minus 8, 5. 4 minus 6, not possible. Make it 5 and 14. 14 minus 6, 8. 5 minus 2, 3. So that number is 38,505. Okay children, I am showing you that how you will get that. This is no need to do. Okay. So अगर मैं greater number में से इस smaller number को minus करूँ तो मेरे पास difference क्या आना चाहिए? That difference I should know. So let's check it. 10 minus 5, 5. 9. 4. 13 minus 5, 8. 5. 14 minus 8, 6. You get 26,895. Yes? And in short way, if you want to remember, you have to remember that to find the smaller, we have to subtract. So we are done question number 3, question number 5, question number 4. I have given you to solve yourself. Now question number 6. Mr. Khurana's annual income is rupees 1,89,432 and Mr. Agarwal's annual income is rupees 34,958 less than Khurana's income. It means आपको Mr. अग्रवाल की इनकम गिवन नहीं है, बट आपको एक रिलेशन गिवन है, एक कंडीशन दैट इज गिवन. व्हाट इज दैट? कि मिस्टर अग्रवाल की जो इनकम है वो मिस्टर खुराना की इनकम से कितनी लेस है, आपको ये बताया गया है. सो व्हाट इज मिस्टर अग्रवाल्स एनुअल इनकम? You remember children, when the less than is given, हमें ये पता है कि मिस्टर अग्रवाल की इनकम खुरानास की इनकम से कम है. So it means मिस्टर अग्रवाल इनकम इज स्मॉलर. मिस्टर अग्रवाल की जो इनकम है वो लेस होगी. एंड टू फाइंड लेस, टू फाइंड स्मॉलर, वी हैव टू डू subtract. Am I clear to everyone? Okay. So let's understand with the statement. Question number 6. So I am writing, because Mr. Khurana's income is more, so I am writing first Mr. Khurana's income. It is rupees 1,89,432. This is Mr. Khurana's income. Now Mr. Agarwal's income is less. Less than Khurana's income. Okay. So Mr. Agarwal's income, how much Mr. Agarwal's income is less than? Okay. Do you understand the language? So what is Mr. Agarwal's income? Less. How much it is less? 34,958. Children, this is not the income of Mr. Agarwal. This is that income which is less than Mr. Khurana's income. कि मिस्टर खुराना की इनकम से इतनी कम है, इतनी लेस है. सो अब आपको क्या फाइंड करना है? मिस्टर अग्रवाल इनकम. सो नाउ वी नो कि मिस्टर अग्रवाल की इनकम लेस है. सो वी आर फाइंडिंग द लेस, वी आर फाइंडिंग द स्मॉलर, एंड टू फाइंड द स्मॉलर वी हैव टू डू subtraction. Let's do subtraction. This is 2 and 12. 12 minus 8, 4. Make it 3. 12 minus 5, 7. 8. 13 minus 9, 4. 8 minus 4, 4. 8 minus 3, 5 and 1. So 1,54,474 is the Mr. Agarwal income. Let's compare. You can see Mr. Khurana's income is more than this. So we can tell कि दोनों की इनकम का जो डिफरेंस है that is 34,958. I hope the question is clear. Now all of you need to solve question number 3, 4, 5 and 6 in your notebook along writing with statement, because statement is needed and your calculation also must be correct. Thank you and have